Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. So recently, a lot of you have been asking me that why do I involve apple cider vinegar in my diet plans? Why do I recommend you people to have apple cider vinegar before every meal? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can lose approximately 5 kgs of weight very easily with apple cider vinegar. It is a miracle drink. But first, let us see how is apple cider vinegar prepared. It is made with 2 steps of fermentation process. Apples are first cut, then crushed, and then they're combined with yeast to convert their sugars into alcohol. Now, in the second process, the bacteria that are added to ferment the alcohol into acetic acid. That is, the alcohol converted is then made into acetic acid, which in turn constructs the apple cider vinegar. Now, the acetic acid is the main component in the apple cider vinegar. It does all the tasks. The first thing that apple cider vinegar does in your body is it does not let the food to store in your intestines for a longer time of the day, which basically means that your food is easily and quickly flushed out from your body, but provided that your food has given all the energy, nutrients and essential minerals in your body, and all the fat is then flushed out as quick as possible. So that is one of the main reasons that I recommend you people to have apple cider vinegar before every meal, especially your lunch, with warm water. It helps to flush out your food as soon as possible so that you do not feel first bloated, second in any way constipated, and third the food does not get the time to convert into fat in your body. Now the second thing that apple cider vinegar does in your body is it decreases the insulin levels. Hence, it is best for girls and women suffering from PCOD or PCOS. I definitely recommend them to have apple cider vinegar before their meals because insulin resistance is the major problem with PCOD. Hence, apple cider vinegar decreases the insulin levels. Third is it improves and increases your metabolism to a very higher rate, which ultimately increases the fat burning process. It decreases the fat and sugar production in the liver as well, which ultimately improves your metabolism and helps you lose weight fast very easily. Next thing very important is it suppresses your appetite, which basically means that you feel lesser hungry when you have apple cider vinegar before your meal. Trust me guys, it does miracle. I have seen people losing tremendous amounts of weight with just apple cider vinegar in their diets, and definitely following a healthy lifestyle and 15 minutes of workout does nothing harm to your body. So definitely try to consume apple cider vinegar before your meals. I personally prefer Bragg's organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar because the major reason is it's unfiltered and produces great results. And second main reason to buy this is because it is very easily available in the local markets as well. But if it's not available in your local markets, you can buy it online. The link will be in the description box below. Check it out. Or you can also use American Gardens apple cider vinegar. It does exactly the same job and is also available in your local markets. But some people do say that it's difficult to find in their markets. So the link to buy it will also be in the description box below. Check it out. I recently posted my summer weight loss diet plan part 2. You people loved it. So if you want to check that out, the link will be in the description box below. Check it out. And my all other most popular videos will all be listed down in the description box below. And I'll see you in my next one. And if you like my video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any query regarding any of my videos. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. And hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a video on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I post and upload daily there about what I eat in a day and how my diet plan goes each and every day, especially on my Instagram stories. So do not forget to follow me on Instagram. The links will be all in the description box below. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always. I'll see you in my next one.